Right, there we have it. That is the Supra NAT matte.
Supra?
It is a Supra.
Supra?
Thanks, Jason.
No, thank you.
And we've finished on 448 brake, which is 416 at the wheels. Did you just say, is that it, Jason? In your automatic diesel Volvo. Yeah, so that's mapped on EcuMaster Black, I believe.
Somewhat.
EcuMaster Black.
What?
Richard, what would you like to say about this this Toyota Supra?
Too busy, mate, got a track day to go to.
Yeah, too busy, got a track day to go to.
Talk to me about it.
Talk to you?
It's white, it's got gold wheels, and it's made 400 and whatever, great.
Yeah.
Job done. Thanks for coming. No, to be fair, it's alright little build, a few little issues with it, but nothing
Nothing major.
nothing major.
What sort of boost is it running?
Hold on, let me just do this.
Alright.
Hamster's on the wheel. Hamster's on the wheel, can I do one thing at once? Right, so we're running about 15 psi, which is where we finished.
Yeah.
Customer said the clutch can handle about 400 foot-pounds of the clutch that he's got in there. So we've done 450 brake because he said that's what he would necessarily like, and keep it within 400 foot-pounds. So we've kept it at 377 foot-pounds.
Good stuff.
I think generally all round everyone will be pretty happy with that.
Yeah.
Not a problem. Got a little oil leak from the oil cooler. It's got an oil leak from the front crank seal. It's got a coolant leak from the bottom radiator hose. These are all slight weak observations.
Observations.
The lambda sensor or wideband it's got in is jammed up against the floor because the exhaust's been made but not been made very well. So some marked areas for improvement, but 10 out of 10 for individual core packs and a widened ECU and all the rest of it. We've been able to map it, no problem. Just want some final touches just to make it spot on.
Yeah, so go and follow on Instagram, on YouTube.
That super guy.
And what's this one, Jason? Snapchat.
Yeah.
Yeah, follow. I don't do Snapchat. So.
Too old school.
I know. Too old
Because he's
school.
down with the kids, you see.
I still wear links and dupe, so I am old school.
Links Africa.
Yeah, links Africa. You know it. You know it.
Sit down. Take a laptop.
So yeah, so there you go. So there's another one in the bag. Like and subscribe and all that jazz.
Thanks for coming, guys.
Thanks for coming, guys. And we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Will do.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.